bakhulume ngani mina ngifana nabantu baselokuthi angikho awe ngazinye izinto bathi uTrump uzofanele udate yabo uthi time about charge phone because yasazi thina ngithi iphone ucharge amasa konje ngine call
I don't know. We don't have full details. It's bilateral. Yeah, he called.
Put orange.
Orange nyanya.
Ay orange la president ya.
Ngwengwe le.
Ufanele ubaba kaze bakhuluma ngani. Hey Donald. Donnie. Is this Jacob? Hey, Donnie. English yak. English yak may ngascriptwanga. Angiyazi ukuthi State of the Nation yabhala ngama capital letters like bampalela abanye ama page ama draw. No, ama draw ikinto wrong. Like if your page State of the Nation uzokhuluma police all protocol observe and stuff namagama abantu acknowledge uBrathabo neMedica Brathabo kube right second page ke ama issue nyana from lab afanaka ngambhalini number awusiyazi inumber ukuthi rough from le ngoba basabhala inumber baya draw ama picture makhuluma nge-mining industry a draw mine faka abantu abanama boots nama pigi so uzobona ukuthi uzothini yena makhuluma ngebhedlela nani baveza ama drip baveza amapilisi baveza injection uyazora sisi ku hospital page makavulela page transport eventual na vili kushuthi sine trouble kushuthi sinenkinga ye transportation eSouth Africa ivili limekanjena nonomfazo oyiwano kwathilo mekanjena road rage a page of that out saying kuvela abantwana abaningi athi mami imali ye grant oh gosh any parents vale bafethu because
why shame parents
shame man
yini lento abahappy jele badlale bafaka ama bra.
Yeah, guys, I did ask.
What are you talking about?
And everybody looked at me as if I was mad.
We saw that.
Okay, by parents angithi icala by Kora 6 mayiqeda lapho the following madla nevet actual red card. So ngoba angazi or coach ayethu angazi or Augusto kunento ayiphuzela yona ayi1 the player yeah Augusto athi jela vimbi ujela khumula skip how
Who's sports bra?
ufake bra
hey banda
yazi abantu beyipots bra yithi ngoba ngathi sina kuma cleavage nyana ujele iphepha nje iphepha lephepha
How?
nangumuntu aveze bra ngithi
I was like, why is he wearing a bra?
Are they losing because babhizi ngezibra?
la sitholela angazi waveza ngasemkhulu uda Ivan akutazwana asitholeni umuntu oparents ezela as explain kunento wrong le clip lalela jo ngicela bayeka gogo mahlasela la gogo jo
yeah sihlahla zakho mahlasela
mahlasela ba round okway emntwini probably angazi okway emntwini bese banihlalise ku Brahma stove
yeah
How?
Uhlala ku Brahma stove as a chair.
first time I was 11 years old Brahma stove there was not even a window call him popo
yes awukaza nakaza na emntwini
No.
siyaye ebantwini ke thina how kodwa is strong kanje
Nini.
Salama awards
Yebona Bobo, yebona. And I've never won a thing, so maybe that's a reason. Yeah.
ngakulunga lapha yashisa Brahma stove kuli enile ponchwayo babeka ipoto phezulu ni9 ni roundile bese banivala ngetende lazi itende bathi hoop ngetende ukushisa hayi okulapho
Why benchisa?
bas hayi usiyafutha
keep isinyama
Okay.
ngihlala bese kuneyone efuna ukuxoxa and sicabanga inkinga zethu uzothi yo I life bafethu sorry but asifuna ukwazi ngala siloku paraffin kumanje vandag se Capri vandag I'm doing a show
Capri
Capri tonight comedy
Where's Caprivi?
Champions
Oh, but Caprivi, remember you started the ages ago.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm there
nice.
tonight with
What
my
time?
friends. Show starts at 8. Don't be late. Starts at 8. Other than that, my tickets for my one-man shows are open nationwide. Port Elizabeth, East London.
I saw a
Witbank.
pamphlet about a picnic.
Yes, we're doing a picnic no Mashabel.
Where?
Kempton Park, Trisnemant.
Kempton Park.
Yes, ngeyifoza kaMarch.
4th of March.
Yes, Thibo uyadlala naye la.
No. It looks nice, that one.
Yeah,
that one looks nice.
It's gonna be
Invite us.
crazy.
Great us where your cheese.
With that being said,
Congratulations.
Bob, congrats bro wami.
Thank you.
Sayawina la idea mfethu.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Warren Masimola. Congratulations, Bob Mabena. Congratulations, Anile Mdota, as well as Atemi Mdota, for your nominations. I love you guys. I have a great weekend. Everybody,
I'm nominated.
Yes, she's gonna win it. I've got to go buy.
Why?
Sorry, next week.
Bye.
I think I need gaps.